The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, eastern Barry County in southwestern Michigan, northeastern Kalamazoo County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern Eden County in south-central Michigan, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Battle Creek, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Hastings, Battle Creek, Nashville, Bellevue, Climax, Level Park Oak Park, Brownlee Park, Assyria, Calamo, Olivet, Augusta, Vermontville, Banfield, West Key Kellogg Airport, Pine Creek, Dowling, Bedford, Ceresco, Scotts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.